asking yourself why I'm wearing this silly hat, but, well, not hat, but light, the situation we have here is that we've lost entire power to the animal shelter. We do have a temporary generator that's providing lights to some areas. This is our dog adoption area, so we do have lights in here to be able to see and take care of the animals. The generator also provides some power to plug, so we can plug in temporary heaters while the staff is here at the building. Staff has been incredible. In fact, some of them had to walk here the first couple days to get here and take care of the animals, but they're troopers, and we're really pleased and grateful that we have them. We have a volunteer here helping us with dishes. Hi.
I am so glad I came down here to help. The shelter is doing a wonderful job. The animals all seem happy and content. The volunteers are very upbeat. Staff's been wonderful. I'm just so glad that I'm able to come out and help today.
Can you get me coming into the dog stray area?
Okay, let me... Oh, wait.
We've asked her... Okay, we're coming into an area now where we don't have lights. This is our cat strays. What we've asked our volunteers and our foster homes to come get animals that are available for adoption and take home temporarily so that we can get as many animals out of the building as possible. The back part of the building is totally dark, and we've obviously closed the operation to the general public. We hope to be able to resume opening the shelter as soon as our power's back on. Our biggest concern right now is the down tree. We do have a tree that's down that's hanging over the roof, and we're working with Progress Energy in Buncombe County to try to resolve that. Our fear is, of course, if it falls, it's going to come through the building. So that's our biggest concern right now. This is our medical area. As you can see, we're totally in the dark here, but this is where we would treat any animal that's had any illnesses or injuries. We're able to do that in their cages, but ideally we'd like to have access to the room.
Laura and I are standing here in the dark. I'm getting flea preventatives together for some foster kittens, and the foster mom's out on the road with her hazard lights on waiting for me to bring it to her. And Laura is working in the dark getting all the meds together for the babies who are sick.
Okay, I came here to foster this kitty because I've been wanting to do something because I know a lot of people are out of power and I love animals.
You can see here we have temporary lights set up in our stray cat area. And also our dog ISO area.
Let Courtney know because still trying to get them. These guys?
Here's our dog isolation area. We've got temporary lighting back here too.
Hello. I'm a light stand apparently.
Camera. Like one of their wave.
It's been cold and dark and high energy, and we've all been working together to get stuff done, minimize the chaos, and it's been working fairly smoothly with all the help of all the volunteers and everybody who works here.
What are you doing, Shelly?
Putting dirty, poopy laundry in my car.
All right, David, I've got you on video. Board member does his part. Woohoo! Very nice. Thank you.
Who are you?
I'm Stacy.
You work here?
Well, my family owns one of our cleaners, and we just love animals, and we want to do everything we can to help the animals.